Hey guys, it's 4:37 p.m. on the 14th of May 2022. I only realised just like 37 minutes ago that I hadn't gotten dressed yet, and then straight after I realised I'm not going to either. But I slept until I woke up at 8, and then I rolled over and hugged Boss, and the next thing I knew it was like 1 p.m. And that's fine. I'm definitely coming out the other end, thank God. I'm like coughing, but like it's like hucking up like this fucking disgusting crap. I have also been hit with my time of the month at 45 days late. Thankfully, I'm fully celibate, so I was like, nothing to worry about on that regard. But yeah, so it's clearly everything hitting me at once. I'm just tired, but I'm gonna watch a movie. I pretty much just scrolled on my phone. Just finished having food, so just leftovers from last night. I learned something though, which is that with pasta sauce, I don't like sauces really dry. Everyone's different, right? But I'm one of those, if I've got like tomato kind of tomato based sauce for pasta, I like it to be saucy, like not dry. And whenever I cook it and eat it, originally it's delicious, but then when I reheat it, not so much. So I decided today that instead of dishing it and putting it straight in the microwave, I would reheat the sauce on the stove in a pot and add some water and just heat the pasta in the microwave. Much, much better. So happy. It's only taken me 36 years to figure that out. Maybe not 36 because I wasn't cooking at 1. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking before I start coughing because I literally just coughed up a fucking, like a fucking disgusting fur ball, which was really a phlegm ball. Anyway, I want to watch this movie, and currently I'm praying it's quiet enough because all the fucking coffee claim right when shit's on in the background. But the TV's connected to the computer, and I typed in Friends onto YouTube to watch while eating, and it's like a mashup of season 3 and it's pretty funny. So yeah, till tomorrow guys. Happy Saturday.